If you're a freelancer or digital nomad or someone that is trying to work in the online space, that you don't have any prior skills, you don't have any prior tools to work online, or you don't even know your whereabouts to start working online, or maybe you've been in the online space but you don't know where to start now or what to do to scale your business, and you don't have any access to any tools, any accounts, or anything at all. You don't even have a skill that you need to scale up in the online space. Now, I want you to sit down right now and watch this video while I walk you through a platform where you can get access to training and every logs information that you can use to build your online skills and build your online business to make a living for yourself, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to pay close attention to this video and follow all of this process that I'm going to share with you right now in this video. So I walk you through this platform where you can get a course for your digital skill and account log to start your work, and even shared access to every platform that you can use to scale up your business and make a living for yourself in the online space, right? Right now, I want you to like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to this channel while I walk you through all of this process, right? So if all of this being said, guys, let's jump on screen while I walk you through this platform. Right now, the website I'm talking about right now is lancer.net. right now, lancer.net is a P2P platform where you can get all-in-one tools for your online business, and you can even get access to templates and also get access to digital courses that you can learn a skill from and you can monetize it on your own, right? So let me walk you through this process. Now, all you need to do right here, first off, is to come over right here to click on sign up right here. Now, once this page load up, all you need to do right now is to fill in your full name, your username, your email address, your phone number, and your password, right? Now, after all of this is done, all you need to do is to sign up. They are going to send a confirmation email to your email so you can verify your email address and you can get to sign in. For me, I'm just going to click on sign in right here. So I'm going to sign into my account, and I'm going to show you how you can get access to all of this information that I just mentioned, right? Now, coming over right here on the sign in page, after I put in my login details, it's going to load up for me. Here is the dashboard of this website. And if you don't even like this interface, you can easily come over right here and change it to dark mode. I can even change it to active mode like this, right? Now, the very first thing you want to do on this platform is to understand the tools or the assets that you want to get, or maybe the course that you want to get for yourself, right? Now, for the very first thing is to fund your wallet to get whatever thing that you want on this platform, right? You can see right here, this is, you will get $10 USD Fiverr gig review, right? So this is how much you are going to pay. The fee and everything on the platform is well added right here. You don't need to worry about anything or any restriction on your account because this is official tools and this is directly from the site, right? And right here you can see all of the available categories, the way you can get stores from, and it's just something basically simple and easy to access, right? So for me now, as me, I want to get a course about anything online. I will just click on courses and toolkits right here, and I can just come over here. So you can see this is a data science foundation course, and this is cybersecurity foundation course, and every of these course you can get access to it with this particular price tag. Right now, all you need to do right here is to come over to your wallet. You click on wallet right here, and the very first thing you are going to do is to deposit money to your account that you want to use for any purchase that you want to do on this platform. Right now, coming over right here to your balance, you are going to click on add balance right here, and you can add the amount that you want to add to your account right here. Assuming I want to deposit $10, I'm just going to put in $10 right there. Then I'm going to click on continue. And once I click on continue, it's just something basically easy, and it's going to initiate the payments for me where I can easily pay with my Nigeria bank account or even my Nigeria bank card. Right now, once the checkout page loads up like this, you just pick up any type of payment method that you want to use, maybe debit card or bank transfer or pay with bank. And once you are done, as me, I want to pay with bank transfer now, I have this option right there that I can easily use, and I can just click on I understand this, then I continue. And right here, I'm just going to click on generate, and I can have this bank account that I'm going to make my payment to. And immediately you make this payment, you are going to get the money funded in your wallet. And right now, it's set to buy logs, access, courses, and every tool that you need officially on this particular website. So I'm just going to come over to the marketplace now. And assuming I want to get a media account, I will just come over right here, and you can see what they have listed right here. And if you are looking for the particular one that you do not find on this listing, you can come over to the category right here, and you can basically choose the one that you want. and you can get everything for yourself right here. If you come over right here, I click on WhatsApp, you will see all of the information they have right here, and you are good to go. And if you come over to subscription and shared access, you are going to see what they have listed on here. You can see everything listed right here, right? And you can see all of these things. If you come over to the Prozzy section, you can see what they have. The freelance section, which is where I want to talk more about, is where you can even buy everything that you need, your accounts review, your phone number for verification, and everything to make every of your freelance journey simple and easy to follow, right? Now, website templates. Assuming you're a website designer and you want to work for clients, you need templates to perform these tasks. All you need to do right here is to come over right here, and you can see they have different kind of listing about websites that you can easily get access to at this official price on this platform, right? Even they have gaming section that you can click and see what they have listed right there, and you are good to go, right? Now, assuming you are trying to like get something and you don't know how to go about it, you just come over right here to the search box and you can type whatever thing that you want right here. And for me now, assuming I want to get something, like maybe I want to get a course, right? All I need to do is to come over to the course section right there, and I want to see what I can easily get access to. So I can show you this. Assuming I want to buy this digital marketing course, I will just click on add to cart, and this is how you can get digital skill for yourself to scale yourself in 2026, right? Now, once you add this to the cart, you are going to come over right here to the cart box right here, and once you click on cart right here, you are going to create this order, right? So once you create this order, you are going to have a section where you can chat with the person that lists this service, and they make sure all of their sellers on this platform have passed through the KYC verification process. You know, they can confirm their eligibility, because this platform is against scam and they have a escrow system protected for both buyer and seller on this platform. So right now, if you come over right here, you can create order and you can see whatever information that you have to access this particular course, and you can even chat with the person that lists this product, right? And let me show you something right here. I have this other section because I've bought something on here, and I can just click on that. You can see I've bought like 2 stuff right here, and I can just click on view so I can show you how this works, right? Now, once I click on view right now, I'm just going to take this up, and you can see this section where me and the person chats, and you can get to discuss and make sure we have a smooth transaction on here. And this is very, very good. And is when I get done, I just complete the order and I give him the 5-star rating, which is very, very essential and something that you can look out for when you want to buy something from someone on this platform, right? So I just switched to the dark mode because I love that so much. And coming over back to my marketplace right here, you can see all the app listed right there, and you can easily get whatever access, whatever logs, whatever thing that you need for your online service, right? Now, I want you to understand something. This platform is very secured and easy to navigate through, and they have a quick customer support that can attend to you at any time of the day, right? If you come over to the support section like this, you can see where they are. You can email them, you can live chat, you can text them on Telegram where they say instant support, and you can see their FAQ, and you can even send a direct message right here, and you can get instant support, right? So once you are done on this platform, it's very great to like recommend it to your friend, so you all can get whatever tool, whatever log, and any digital skill that you want for yourself to make money for yourself in 2026. So I don't want to hear anything about I don't have a digital skill, I don't know what to sell, I don't know what to do in the online space to make a living for myself, right? So I just introduced you to Lancer, where you can get a digital course, access to logs, and also every tool that you need, even templates and everything that you need to grow all your online business on this particular platform. So I want you to go over here now, so you can use the first link in the description below to go over to Lancer and sign up today and get whatever thing that is delaying you to scale up in the online space. If it's accounts, tools, or maybe templates, or maybe information, courses, or anything at all, just go over to Lancer with the first link in the description below and sign up on here and get whatever thing, and let's scale up together, right? And you can use the second link in the description below to get access to my WhatsApp community, where I answer real-time questions before coming over to YouTube comment section right here on YouTube, right? And another thing, if you are a freelancer and you are looking for a way where you can scale up yourself and you can get to um And if you're a freelancer and you are looking for a way to start getting tons of clients every other day, you want to learn how to get clients outside freelance platform, I've made that course for you. And right here is a freelance client acquisition ecosystem, a course where I break down every step by step on how to get freelance clients and people to work for in the online space. And right here is the course outline, where you can get to see the start here and understanding the acquisition system, crafting your offer, and every other platforms that I share right here. You can see everything right here to the very end, and you have like 247 backup support to back you up your journey on here with this particular program, right? So you can get access to this particular program today at still the discount price of 10,015 naira with the third link in the description of this video, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I don't want you to have any excuse about you scaling up in the online space today. So get over to Lancer, pick up your tools and everything that you need to start off, and you can get access to my WhatsApp community for full support to scale up your journey, right? So I will see you in the next video. Until then, guys, you are welcome to the Hustlers Club.